Hello folks, welcome back to our channel, and in this session we are going to check what is a decltype in a C++. Now, decltype keyword was introduced to allow developers to obtain the type of an expression at a compile time, which means you can define the type of an expression at a compile time. It is particularly useful in a situation where the type of an expression is a complex or not immediately obvious. So not immediately obvious means it is not an integer, float, double or string which is easily identifiable. Now the syntax for decltype is as follows. So you can see in a screenshot we have to use a decltype keyword and then we have to pass the expression. So it will deduce the data type of this expression. Now here expression is an expression whose type you want to determine. The result of decltype expression is a type of the expression. This is nothing but the data type. Now what is the example of a decltype? So in a screenshot you can see I have declared a few expression, that is a decltype x, decltype y, decltype x plus y. So this is an expression. You can also give the expression in the decltype or you can just pass the variable. And then I am printing ABC or the values or the variable ABC. Now in the above example, decltype x is used to declare the variable a with the same type as of x. So what is the type of x? Here is integer. So a will have the same type. For y, it will have the same type. That is a previous type. So this is how you can define the type from one variable to the another variable. Similarly, decltype y is used to declare the variable b with the same type as a reference of y. So b will have the same value of a reference, that is an integer and. Decltype x plus y is used to declare a variable c with the type of a result expression x plus y. So c will have the value of x plus y. Decltype is often used in a template, metaprogramming and situations where the types are more complex or not easily expressible. So as we have seen, decltype is a keyword which is used to deduce the type of an expression at a compile time. So let's go ahead with the example and run this code. So now you can see I have used the same code as a screenshot and here we are using the same values. So let's run this code and check what is the output for this. So whenever I run the code, you can see the value of a is 10, that is an integer, the value of b is 5 and the value of c is 10. So c will get assigned x plus y, a will have a value of 10 and b will have a value of a 5. So this is how the decltype keyword works to deduce the type of an expression at a compile time.